Static reports are dead. If you're still scrolling through thousands of rows to find your sales numbers, you're doing it the hard way. Today, in just 3.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build this interactive sales dashboard from scratch. No complex coding, just pure Excel power. Let's get into it. First, we start with our raw data. Never build a dashboard on a standard cell range. Select your data and hit Ctrl T to turn it into a table. Why? Because when you add new data next week, your dashboard will update automatically. Let's name this table sales data in the top left. Now, our foundation is solid. Next, we need to summarize this data. Go to Insert, Pivot Table. We'll create two quick summaries. First, drag date to the rows and sales to values. Excel automatically groups dates by month, perfect for our trend line. Second, create another pivot table on the same sheet for sales by product. These are the brains behind our charts. Now for the lab part. The design, open a new sheet, name it Dashboard, and turn off gridlines under the View tab. Now, click your first pivot table and insert a line chart. For the products, use a 2D bar chart. Pro tip, delete the legend and the grid lines inside the chart to give it a clean, modern look. Match the colors to your brand. I'm using a deep teal for a professional finish. Here is the magic trick, slices. Click your chart, go to Pivot Chart Analyze, and hit Insert Slicer. Choose Region. But wait, right now it only controls one chart. Right-click the slicer, go to Report Connections, and check both pivot tables. Now, when you click a region, your entire dashboard reacts in real time. In under 5 minutes, you've turned raw data into a powerful business tool. You can download this template in the description to practice. If this saved you time today, subscribe to the Data Skills Lab for more weekly masterclasses. I'll see you in the next one.